Hello guys, welcome to Psychology Corner. Today we are going to study about neurons as a building block of nervous system. Neurons hold the secrets of how the brain works, and we know the role they play in transmission of nerve impulses, and we know how some neural circuits work, but we are just beginning to unravel their more complex functioning in memory, emotion and thought. There are many types of neurons in the nervous system which are different from each other, and in appearance and shape and size, but they have certain common characteristics. Projecting from the cell body or soma are a number of short branches called dendrites. It is taken from Greek word dendron, which means tree, which receives neural impulses from other neurons. The axon is a slender tube that extends from the soma and transmits these messages to other neurons. At the end of the axon divides into a number of tiny branches that end in a small swellings called synaptic terminals or terminal buttons. The terminal button do not actually touch the adjacent neuron. There is a slight gap between the terminal button and the cell body or dendrites of the receiving neuron. This junction is called synapse, and the gap itself is called the synaptic gap. When a neural impulse travels down the axon arrives at the terminal buttons, it triggers the secretion of a neurotransmitter, a chemical that diffuses across the synaptic gap and stimulates the next neuron, thereby the impulse from one neuron to the next occur. The axons from a great many neurons form synapses on the dendrites and cell body of a single neuron. In this way, the postsynaptic receiving neuron integrates information from multiple presynaptic neurons. Although all neurons have these general features, they have vary greatly in size and shape. A neuron in the spinal cord may have an axon up to a meter long, running from the end of the spine to the muscles of the big toe. A neuron in the brain may cover only a few thousandths of a centimeter. Neurons are classified into three categories depending on their general function. Sensory neuron transmits impulses received by receptors to the central nervous system. The receptors are specialized cells in the sense organs, muscles, skin, and joints that detect physical or chemical changes and translate these events into impulses that travel along the sensory neuron. Motor neurons carry outgoing signals from the central nervous system to muscles and glands, while the interneurons, this is the third type of neuron, connect sensory afferent and motor efferent neurons. Interneurons are found only in the central nervous system and in the eyes. A nerve is a bundle of elongated axons belonging to the hundreds or thousands of neurons. For example, the optic nerve carries the signals from the eye to the brain. A single nerve may contain axons from both the sensory or motor neurons. The cell bodies of the neurons are generally grouped together throughout the nervous system. In the brain and a spinal cord, a group of cell bodies of neurons is referred to as a nucleus. Neural nuclei, a group of neuronal cell bodies found outside the brain and spinal cord, is called ganglion, neural ganglia. In addition to neurons, the nervous system has a large number of non-neural cells called glial cells that are interspersed among and often surround neurons. Glial cells outnumber neurons by 9 to 1 and take up more than half the volume of the brain. The name glia derived from the Greek word for glue suggests one of their functions, namely to hold neurons in place. In addition, they provide nutrients to the neurons and appear to keep house in the brain by gathering and packing up waste products and taking up dead neurons and foreign substances, thereby maintaining the signaling capacity of neurons. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you like this video, kindly like this video, give your suggestions and opinions and comment, and share it. And if you have not subscribed this channel so far, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon button so that every